E-commerce empire, your roadmap to online riches. You ever scroll through your phone at 3 a.m. buying useless crap you don't need? Yeah, me too, but you know what? Every time you hit that buy now button, some e-commerce entrepreneur somewhere is doing a little happy dance. Think about it, a store that never closes, selling to customers all over the world. That's the power of e-commerce, baby. In this digital age, buying and selling online isn't just a trend, it's a freaking gold mine. So, whether you're a complete newbie or you've already dipped your toes in the digital marketplace, this video is your golden ticket to e-commerce success. We're diving deep into the strategies that'll turn those clicks into cold hard cash. Get ready to hustle. Alright entrepreneurs, let's kick things off with a strategy that's perfect for those who want to hit the ground running. White labeling. Imagine this, you find a product that's already crushing it online. Instead of starting from scratch, you slap your own logo on it and boom, you're in business. That's the beauty of white labeling. You're borrowing someone else's hard work and leveraging it to your advantage. Save time, save money, and focus on marketing and selling. You don't need to be an inventor or a designer. It's the ultimate shortcut to e-commerce success. Alright hustlers, let's talk about private labeling. The strategy for those who want to build an e-commerce empire they can truly call their own. This is next level stuff where you're not just selling someone else's product, you're creating your own unique brand from the ground up. Think of it like this, white labeling is like renting a cool apartment. It's convenient and gets the job done. But private labeling, that's like building your dream house brick by brick exactly the way you want it. You control the design, the features, everything. With private labeling, you're in the driver's seat. You decide what products to sell, you source the materials, you work with manufacturers to bring your vision to life. You've got complete control over the quality, the branding, the entire customer experience. When you build your own brand, you're not just selling products, you're building a loyal customer base, a community, a legacy. Alright entrepreneurs, let's talk about building a business that's as consistent and reliable as clockwork subscription e-commerce. This is the beauty of recurring revenue, baby. Instead of chasing down one-time sales, you're creating a loyal tribe of customers who pay you month after month like clockwork. Think about it. What's better than making a sale? Making sales on autopilot. With subscription e-commerce, you're not just selling a product, you're selling convenience, value, and an experience that keeps people coming back for more. Now, what kind of products work well with a subscription model? Anything that people use regularly. Think razors, coffee, socks, pet food, beauty products. The possibilities are endless. The key here is to offer something that people need or want on a regular basis, and then make it super easy for them to get it delivered right to their doorstep, without even having to think about it. No more last-minute runs to the store, no more running out of their favorite products, just pure, convenient bliss. Offer amazing customer service, surprise them with freebies and discounts, create a community around your brand. Dropshipping minimum risk, maximum reward e-commerce. Alright entrepreneurs, let's dive into a strategy that's perfect for the lean, mean, business building machines out there, dropshipping. This one's all about minimizing risk and maximizing profit, baby. Imagine this. You build a beautiful online store showcasing amazing products that people are dying to get their hands on. But here's the kicker. You don't actually keep any of those products in stock. Nope, not a single one. Instead, you partner with a dropshipping supplier who handles all the messy stuff. The inventory, the packaging, the shipping, all of it. You simply take the orders, send them over to your supplier, and they handle the rest. Talk about a hands-off approach. Now I know what you're thinking. Gary, this sounds too good to be true. And you know what? It kind of is. Dropshipping offers a low barrier to entry, minimal upfront investment, and the flexibility to sell a wide range of products without ever touching a single box. Wholesale e-commerce, the big leagues of online business. Alright, entrepreneurs, ready to step up your game and play in the big leagues? Let's talk about wholesale e-commerce. The high-volume, high-profit world of business-to-business selling. If you're looking to move serious product and build a lasting empire, this one's for you. Forget selling one product at a time. Wholesale is all about moving products in bulk, baby. We're talking pallets, truckloads, warehouses full of inventory. This is where you partner with retailers, distributors, and other businesses who are looking to buy your products at a discount and sell them to their own customers. Now, wholesale e-commerce isn't for the faint of heart. You need to be ready to handle large orders, manage inventory like a boss, and build strong relationships with your B2B partners. But the rewards? They're massive. We're talking about scaling your business to new heights, generating consistent revenue streams, and establishing yourself as a major player in your industry. Print-on-demand customization is king in the e-commerce game. All right, entrepreneurs, let's talk about a business model that's taking the e-commerce world by storm: print-on-demand. This is where creativity meets customization, where every product is unique, and where you can sell one-of-a-kind designs without ever touching a printing press. Imagine this. You create a stunning design, a funny quote, a beautiful illustration, a bold statement, anything that sparks joy and captures attention. You upload that design to a print-on-demand platform and they handle the rest. Printing, packaging, shipping, the whole 9 yards. No need for bulk inventory, no upfront printing costs, just pure design brilliance and the power of the internet. With print-on-demand, you can sell your designs on t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, tote bags, wall art. The possibilities are limitless. This is perfect for creative entrepreneurs, artists, designers, anyone with a unique vision and a passion for bringing their ideas to life. It's a low-risk, high-reward business model that allows you to tap into the power of personalization and offer customers something truly special. Find your niche, develop your style, and build a brand that represents your unique vision. Lights, camera, e-commerce, your journey starts now. So there you have it, folks. We've explored the exciting world of e-commerce, from white labeling to dropshipping and everything in between. The digital landscape is a goldmine of opportunity, just waiting for hustlers like you to stake your claim. Remember, making money in e-commerce isn't just about transactions. It's about building a brand, connecting with customers, and creating something you're passionate about. It's about taking control of your destiny and building a business that reflects your unique vision. Now go out there and make it happen. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell icon.